Why grouping plants is a big advantage to them? There are actually certain plants that can enjoy each other and grow better when they are in group. So as you see here, I have a coleus. This is like a poinsettia or the Christmas plant. And then I have there the auxiliaris, the sleeping plant at night. I have here the begonia. This is a kind of cactus family plant. And and as you see here, I just put these plants actually on like a container that is a big container, and I just put water on it. So there is no tendency that they will dry up because they will just, suck the water from time to time. That one is a hibiscus. You can actually try to, to experiment which plants you want to group. In this area at nighttime, I can actually have sunlight going inside. And during nighttime, I can have this. If you look at it, this is actually plant light. In Sweden, when it's winter, we have a very short daylight. That is why we really need to have some help of artificial lamps. And in that way, it will help the plants actually to get, even if it's artificial, but to get lights anyway. So I have these plants here for like 4 or 5 months already, and it seems that they actually enjoy each other. As you look at it, my begonia is really growing wild. So I just let it be and have it there. And I have some more plants here. One plant actually died. I forgot what plant was that. And then I even have this one that it has a hard time growing before, but now it's actually growing very nice. So I let it be and have them there, and we'll see what is next to happen. So that is the thing, how you will think about grouping your plants. And in this area, I have these plants that are quite tall. One is already reaching the roof, and the others here, they look like that. See, this one I have a palm plant, a palm tree. There is the peace lily, and here another group of plants. So as you see, grouping can actually help them. It's just like people. There are times that you really need to be in a group and it feels warm, and I think plants feel the same. Like if they are in a group, they feel warm with each other, especially in our place in Sweden where we have actually quite cold temperatures. So as you see here, I don't have any plant that is standing alone. And it's because this is only the place where this is actually the TV room. So here in the TV room, we usually sit here to watch TV. And I think that one is the only plant where it's standing there alone. But that one will always survive wherever you put them. And even if there is no sunlight, they just remain their green leaves and all this stuff. It's same with peace lily actually. But sometimes peace lily, they can actually need some sunlight also. So you have here the different plants that I have, and it seems that they enjoy being with each other. So if you see that your plant is actually enjoying in that certain area with other plants, leave them there. Do not try to be experimenting again and transferring them, because it has a tendency to not feel very good, and instead that they will continue to grow and continue to feel good, they can actually just decline in the growth and they will never enjoy growing or being in another place. So plants, I can say for a long time ago, I always love plants. I have noticed it, and by means of my experience, I have noticed that plants, the same as humans, we enjoy with the companion of a certain type of people. And plants are totally the same. If you agree, then please just write your comment and tell me if you agree about what I said. So, anyway, if you're not yet my subscriber, please don't hesitate to subscribe on Liba Buhay, and I will be sharing more. And of course, if you like, you can also share all about your knowledge about plants. And in that way, we can enjoy and we can continue our knowledge about plants and continue to support each other. Thank you and see you again next time.